It is Smart Applications Explosion-Proof Portable Electrostatic Measuring Device, which is the representative product of ESGK Company Limited. This product is a portable real-time measuring instrument that allows you to visually check the data by directly contacting the points of powder, liquid, human body, etc. to measure static electricity. It can use mobile applications via Bluetooth and check measuring data in real time. It can also do trend management via saved data. It is rechargeable and easy to use, can be measured in all industrial environments, and has obtained European explosion-proof and international explosion-proof certification. This is an explosion-proof product developed to be used more safely than others. And it is the only one product that has high performance and specifications all over the world.